Now, Sena Netas are not responding. They are stunned, but support is pouring in for Kangana Ranaut after an interview to Times Now. Manoj Muntashir, writer, lyricist, poet, needs no introduction now. Joining us on Times Now. Manoj ji, thank you at the outset for speaking to us on Times Now. Now, what do you make of this? Because Kangana Ranaut has demanded action against the drug mafia in Bollywood. Now, there is a certain section that is calling this action against the drug mafia a witch hunt.
There is partial truth in what she is saying, but not the whole truth. And let me just try and put my perspective very loud and clear to you. First of all, it is not a witch hunt. Secondly, yes, the entire industry is not under drugs. The entire industry is not under the influence of drugs. We are not a drug cartel as a whole, no. But at the same time, we are not sacrosanct as well. It would be very wrong to say that there is no blemish in any corner of the industry. There are people who are into this business. There are people who have been committing this kind of crimes and this kind of unlawful acts. So what is wrong if those people are identified by the authorities of the law, the agencies of the law, and they are just expelled from the industry or they're brought to justice? What is wrong in that? My only issue is that day when Jayaji started talking about all this stuff, she used an analogy which was highly objectionable, that thali and thali mein chhed. That is something which anyone who has got little bit of self-respect and who's from this industry, and for someone like me and many people like me who have come from like small towns and villages from far down India, and they have come and they have made a place for themselves, this was very insulting for people like us. Because it comes across as if there is a Jagirdari, there is a feudal system, and then there are Raja Maharaja or Mil Malik who are just doing favors to us by extending them a little bit of their like bread in a thali. Aisa nahi hai. Whatever we have earned in our thali is earned by us. It has been earned by lots of hard work. There is no favor done to anybody and from any corner. I refuse that favors have been done and favors have been taken. So that statement was wrong. I think she should backtrack on that statement. At the same time,
let me ask you.
Yes, calling the entire industry a garbage, is also wrong. The entire industry is not a garbage.
No, but nobody is trying to say that, Mr. Manoj Muntashir. We are not painting the entire industry as drug addicts, or we are not labeling them as drug cartel. Now, I want to ask you upfront, why are A-listers, stars that are well known, why are they opposing this cleanup against drugs? Is there a group that controls everything in the industry, or so it seems?
देखिए ऐसा है इंडस्ट्री में, ये कहने के बजाय आई विल अगेन कम बैक टू जयाजी स्टेटमेंट. उस दिन मुझे तकलीफ हुई बिकॉज बच्चन एज अ होल वी रिस्पेक्ट देम. दे आर, एंड टू मी मिस्टर बच्चन इज लाइक अ फादर, right? That family is, we put them up very high on the pedestal, and they are. This statement doesn't change anything about them. The only thing is that it was slightly insensitive. ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि आपने हमारे ऊपर बहुत बड़ा कोई एहसान कर दिया है, और अगर ये जो थाली है, इफ देयर इज अ थाली लाइक दैट, और उस थाली में गलती से किसी ने ड्रग परोस दिया है, उस थाली में किसी ने गलती से जहर परोस दिया है, तो फिर तो थाली में छेद करना इज अ सोशल सर्विस. इट मस्ट बी डन ताकि वो जहर बह के निकल जाए, वो ड्रग बह के निकल जाए. इट इज अबाउट द क्लींजिंग, इट अबाउट द क्लीनिंग ऑफ द एंटायर सिस्टम. आई कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम ट्राइंग टू
ट्वीट्स भी पढ़े हैं इस पे,
दैट फ्रॉम व्हिच एंगल दिस ड्राइव, दिस क्लीनलीनेस ड्राइव इज रॉन्ग. इस सफाई कहां से गलत है?
Which is what we have been asking on Times Now कि ये गलत कहां से है. कंगना रनौत ने हमसे ये भी कहा है कि इसमें बिगर नेम्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड, और भी स्टार्स हैं, और एक कैंपेन लॉन्च हो गया था, पिटिशन साइन कर दिया था लोगों ने कि ये जो वेंडेटा चल रहा है ये बंद होना चाहिए. उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, मुझे ताज्जुब उस वक्त हुआ जब मैंने ये सुना कि कोई रिक्वेस्ट की गई है प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, जिसमें 2500 लोगों ने इंडस्ट्री के सिग्नेचर किया है. 2500 people from my industry have signed a petition requesting protection from the government. Really? I mean, who are those 2500 people and what are they scared of? What are you scared of if you have not done anything? If you have committed a crime, you will be scared. Protection के दो तरीके होते हैं. If I ask for a protection against some mafia, against some lord, against some underworld, yes, I should be given protection. Should I be asking for protection against law, against my own constitution.
तो आपको लगता है कि ये गलत है, कहीं ना कहीं ये गलत हो रहा है?
Really, if I am asking for that kind of protection कि कानून मेरा कुछ ना बिगाड़ पाए, मुझे बचाओ, तो जरूर मेरे अंदर कुछ गड़बड़ है, जरूर मैंने कुछ गलत किया है।
तो आपको लगता है कि ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने या तो गलत किया है या वो चाहते हैं कि गलत सामने ना आ जाए? क्योंकि कंगना ने तो साफ साफ कहा है कि द इंडस्ट्री इज रैटल्ड बाय द ड्रग क्रैकडाउन, इसीलिए वो ऐसे तिल मिलाए हुए हैं।
Now, who is industry? If I ask you one simple question, and those people who are saying that do not malign the industry, who is industry? I am not industry. Do you think that I am not industry? Just because I am come from Lucknow, I am come from Amethi, and there are millions of people over here जो अलग-अलग जगहों से आए हैं. So only couple of big names, big surnames, big family people, only their industry. So I refuse to even honor this statement. Industry मतलब मैं. इंडस्ट्री मतलब कंगना, इंडस्ट्री मतलब ऑफ कोर्स बच्चन साहब, इंडस्ट्री मतलब सारे खान्स, और इंडस्ट्री मतलब वो चाय वाला जो हमें चाय लाके टाइम पे पिलाता है। अगर उसका चाय सही वक्त पे हमें नहीं मिली और चाय खराब हुई तो पूरे दिन का शूट खराब हो जाता है। हम सब इंडस्ट्री हैं। प्रॉब्लम तब होती है जब आप इतने फ्यूडल माइंडसेट से इंडस्ट्री को मुट्ठी भर लोगों की
फ्यूडल माइंडसेट एंड आल्सो सेलेक्टिव आउटरीच
इंडस्ट्री है, तो फिर एक बात तय है कि ये जो पूरा देश आपकी फिल्मों को 300 करोड़ 400 करोड़ का बिजनेस देता है,
पब्लिक सब जानती है,
फिर बेवकूफ है, तो कम से कम उनको ऑनर कीजिए। इंडस्ट्री सबकी है, इंडस्ट्री आपकी अकेले की नहीं है। इंडस्ट्री सिर्फ उन चंद लोगों की नहीं है जिनको इस वक्त कानून से डर लगा हुआ है, जो कानून से घबराए हुए हैं, उनकी नहीं है।
लोग सब जानते हैं। मनोज मुंतशिर, आई थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस ऑन टाइम्स नाउ। अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक, lots more lined up on Times Now. Please stay with us.